Hey guys, before diving into the topics and the practical sections, we need to install multiple things like a few lab environment and a few applications that will be uh, helpful for performing our red teaming activities. So the first one, that was VirtualBox. So we all know why we are installing VirtualBox in the environment. So this will be creating a uh, so this is used to create a sandboxed environment. We can test anything using the virtual machines. Um, we can we can download it and we can install it, and we can install some of the machine, and we can test it out. So you will understand why we are going to do. So my suggestion will be install the virtual machine for like 7 version, 7.1.12. So here I was using this because the latest version we are getting some errors. So you can find 7.1 point, yeah, you can install this. Okay, so I have already downloaded the application before 7.1.12. This is the one. So I'll be giving the link in the video resource, so not a problem. You can download it, the Windows host. If you are a Mac installer, you can go ahead, everything. Okay, so also download the extension pack of the application. So we need both of the things. Okay, so once you have successfully download, just install the virtual machine. So it's a simple, you need to give next, nothing special apart from that. Let's wait for some time, and it will continue the installation. So now the installation has been successful, and let's install the extension also. Yeah, install. So you need to double click on the extension, that's all, nothing special in this. So yeah, I hope the extension is also installed, and yeah, the extension is also installed. We are good with that. So we are working on multiple offensive tools. Multiple We are handling multiple malwares. So the primary goal is to our malwares. If we running our malware in the primary machine, so this will impact your primary machines, right? So instead of running the malware on the primary machine, we are creating a test environment, the red team environment, and we are running the malwares and hacking machine inside the test environment. Okay, so this is like a sandbox. So we just created a small sandbox, and we are putting everything inside the sandbox, and we are running into that. So many one ask why we need a sandbox. Okay, if you want to test, if you want to blast a nuclear weapon or something, so what the engineers will do, they will dig into the sand. Uh, they'll be putting inside the sand, and they'll be close it off, and they'll be blast it, right? So that's the scenario. So we are going to do here. So let's hop off from here, and we'll continue our discussion in the next video. I hope everyone installed the environment. Okay, so see you guys. Bye bye. Once your virtual machine are ready, the next step, we can download the Kali Linux from the open source platform. Okay, so we don't want to pay any kind of any money or Bitcoin or anything for Kali Linux. So I just included this URL in the resource section. You can find it there. And if you go to this link, you can see a lot of information. So here you can find virtual machine documentations and pre-built virtual machine. So click on this if you are using virtual machine. Click on this if you are using VMware. Go for this. Okay. So based on your requirement, you can download anything. So at the time when I was showing this video, it was like the version was 2025.3. So you can click on this and you can download it. So once you have downloaded you can find it in a downloads folder. Then the simple thing, you need to extract the file here. Okay, I already extracted. You need to give extract here. I already extracted and it was present on here. Yeah, so here you can find two files. So click on this one. Okay, VirtualBox AMD64, the blue color icon. So once you click on the blue color icon, it has been loaded. It was automatically loaded inside the VirtualBox, right? So you don't need to do any import, export or something. You just click on that and it will be get exported. So once you get down to the Kali Linux, then just go to the settings and we can increase the memory a little bit. Increase the memory to like 8 GB. So based on your system requirement, 16 GB is enough for our course. But so if you have some extra memory, that will be really helpful to do some things. Okay. And based on your requirement, you can increase your CPU utilization or processor utilization here. Okay. Then apart from that, you don't need to do any other things apart from these two. Now you can start the Kali Linux. Okay, so it will take some time to boot up. Let's see once the Kali Linux was ready. We need to do some kind of modifications in Kali Linux. I will show you how to do that. Our machine gets boots up. Let's wait for some more time. Yeah, one of a powerful thing from Kali. So initially your username will be Kali and password will be Kali. Okay, username and password both are Kali. Okay, so the next one, let's explore. Let's expand this. Yeah, now it get expanded. Go to terminal. So we can set a root password. Okay, sudo password root. Okay, this is the command you need to give. Okay, so now it will be asking for a Kali password. So we know Kali password was Kali and it was asking to set a new password. Okay, so I was setting the same Kali here. If you need, you can give other password. So I was setting a password here. Okay, so now I was switching to root and my password was Kali. Okay, now I was a root user, right? So also you can switch user mode and you can select root here and you can give the root password. Now you are switched to root, right? So now the terminal was root. Okay, so this is the initial thing we need to do when you boot up the Kali Linux. Apart from this, nothing special you need to do it here. Okay, I hope till now we are good with this and we'll connect you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye. Yep, we successfully completed the configuration of Kali Linux and VirtualBox. So now we all know we are going to use Kali Linux as a attacking machine. In our scenario, that was a hacker machine, and we are the hackers. So and we are going to use a Windows machine. So Windows machine is a target machine. So we are going to practice our red team exercise and offensive or defensive exercise in the uh, Windows machine. Okay, so you don't need to download any kind of external thing. I already configured, I already uploaded that in my cloud platform, and I'll be giving this link, and you can also utilize that, and you can download it. Okay, I have attached this link in yeah, I'm going to attach this link in my Udemy video. Let me do that quickly. So you can check this. Okay, you have all the links that was present uh, in this. Okay, so this video I have recorded after completing all the other sections. So let's go for a Windows machine. So once this Windows machine is like nearly 40 gigabytes GB. So I already downloaded. So once you downloaded the Windows machine, so nothing you need to do. You just need to double click on this. Okay, let's do that. Finish it off. It was started importing. It will take some time to complete the import. Okay, I'll pause this video and I will resume once the import has been succeeded. Now the machine was imported, and let's start the VM. Let's change the network settings to this one. Yeah. So the password is password. Okay, PASSWORD. No capital, everything small. PASSWORD. Password is password. So this is the console you will get. So everything, every software, every applications, everything which I have used, that will be present here. Okay, every application, every exploitations related softwares, programs, scripts, everything you can find in this machine. Okay, so yeah, that's all. You don't need to check, you don't need to search outside anything. Everything will be in the machine. So let's hop off from here because we configured everything. Let's jump on to the next video. See you guys. Bye bye. let's discuss about the machine, the metasploitable. So basically, metasploitable is one of the test environment. Let me show you here. Yeah, it's a secure place to perform the penetration testing and security research. So this machine is used to attack and practice multiple techniques. So even vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, scanning the server. So this machine will be act like a server, and give this will this will think like a server. And what we can do, we can practice the attack. Okay, basically we can practice the attack, and we can instead of directly attacking any one organization server, so we can utilize this metasploitable Linux. So this will act like a server, and we can practice our security research and security exploitation. So that's why I have installed the metasploitable machine in my course. I have involved. Okay, but the practicing was very less. One or two videos we just practiced an attack. The other attacks that was covered are really in a Windows machine. So the most of the commands, not only most, every commands and every tools that was discussed in this course is used by the attackers, is used by attackers previously, and even now also. So most of the exploitation tools and exploitation script, even the developed code that was used by the threat actors, and we extended the code into the next format for an antivirus evasions and bypassing the EDRs. So you already seen all the topics, how we made this course perfectly, right? So now the metasploitable Linux was downloaded successfully. Let's install this one. Okay, let's find out where this went. Here it is. Let's double click on this. Okay, so we can do it in another way. Let's close the other tabs. Okay, let's go to this one, name it as meta. So iOS image, we don't have an iOS image, and it's a Linux machine. So let me select Linux, low Linux, and let me give like 2 GB of RAM, and CPU 2, and use existing virtual disk. So what I did, I just came to the hard disk, and I have given use an existing virtual disk file. So I just given this, add, go to the metasploitable Linux, open, choose this, finish, and good to go. So let me close all the machines, all the other machines. Now the metasploitable machine was booting up. Okay, try booting up a no epic option. Let's resolve this error first. Let's close this machine, power off this one, and once you start the machine, press escape. Okay, so once the machine has been started, press escape key. Okay, escape. Okay, again it went. Let's focus now. Yeah, now it went through the kernel. Let's give E to edit, redirect to kernel. Okay, you can use up and down for navigate up and down. Okay, so for edit option you need to give E. Go to the kernel and give E. Okay, so let's give no epic, and we'll do this also. No epic. Now let's start this. I hope my keyboard not responding again and again, and I am restarting. So give me a sec. Let me press escape now. Give me that. Sorry guys, I was taking your time. Yeah, now we got let's give E and E, no epic, and B2 boot. Yeah, now it was booted. Okay, so I just edited the kernel as no epic, and I navigated to root, and I given B, so to boot. Okay, so that's the one I have did. So now you can see Metasploit machine has successfully turned on MSF admin. Yeah, if I give if config, so here you can see the IP address. So this machine is optional to install, so you don't need to install if you do not have enough memory space in your machine. So this is really optional, but we need the Windows as well as the Kali Linux machine. Okay, also let me tell you once more I will tell you what I did. Okay, so once you start the machine, give escape button. Okay, give escape button, press escape button continuously. Okay, now it went through the 8.4 kernel. Give E to edit, go to the kernel, E to edit. Okay, and type no APIC, no epic. Okay, and give enter. So now you can see I was navigating up to the root, and I am pressing B. So B will be the boot, press B to boot, right? So B will be the boot. So now you can see the machine has been started and it was running in the backend. So this is how I just troubleshooted that no epic problem. Okay. Yeah. So we need to do one more thing. In every machine you have installed, go to the settings and go to the network, change this to bridge adapter. Okay, go to settings and change the network to bridge adapter. Go to settings, change this to bridge adapter. Okay, every machine needs to be in a bridge adapter. Okay, cool. Thanks guys for watching this video. We'll hop off from here and we'll continue our discussion in the next section. See you. Bye bye.